It's in the 40s out here. Good cold start for a Detroit.
Cheryl's all confused what we're doing. I'm gonna pick her up at the bottom of the hill.
Okay.
Brakes are touchy.
Yeah, yeah, you're gonna take a little bit to get used to that. That's how they should be, though. So just nice, easy, steady braking coming down the hill.
Hey, you got your own test track here.
We do. Good thing we worked on your brakes.
Yes, you did. My dash. When I went off, I stopped and turned the inverter on.
This now has the boost gauge showing up on it.
Yeah.
Okay. And before it wasn't reading because it was
A different
here.
Okay.
Okay.
You see there, there's a computer it runs off of.
Oh.
So,
Will that computer fall off of there, or is it good?
I think it's good.
So your boost get up to 11 there while you were accelerating,
Yeah.
and you were barely on it. So I'll be curious when you pull out on the main road how she does. You feel like you're sitting any higher?
Oh, no.
I feel like it's sitting more even.
It's definitely more level front to back now.
There'll be a story of just how you found this piece of land for me.
We got lucky. We got a real good realtor. 13.8 was the peak boost I've seen.
Well, that's not bad for, well, it goes by engine speed, does that? Engine speed and down the line.
Kind of mash into the throttle for just a minute here. Just accelerate just a little bit. Yeah, the gearing ratio is not going to let you do it. That's fine. I was just... You don't want to speed in the morning time here. How's it feel ride-wise?
Right.
Steering feel better?
Yeah.
You're not even holding the wheel.
It's tight, but
It responds to it?
yeah. I feel it. Is that all the looseness in the kingpins?
Yeah. Speed limit's 30 here.
35.
So the last time you came up this hill, you barely made it, right?
Yeah. Got 12, 15.
15. Yeah, I saw 15 on there.
No square wheel feel. Accelerate.
Yeah, you probably haven't had that much boost in a long time,
Yeah.
based on those rusted out holes through that pipe.
Go around the.
Yeah, just go straight around the square. He got some tires you could use.
Do what?
That guy's got some tires you could use.
Yeah. Yeah, the 24 and a half's unusual now. Not a whole lot of people use it.
Yeah, they're not as common.
Yeah. That's.
Turn left there, be careful.
Yeah. They're making it challenging. Guy in a van can't see nothing. I rode around town a little bit while I was trying to kill time the other day. Kind of a nice little town.
We love it here. It's because we don't have a Walmart or anything like that around, so we still have all these independent little businesses everywhere.
Yeah.
And
I saw in the paper where they got 150,000 to renovate downtown. they probably figured they gave him an automatic transmission. They need to do something with that other foot.
What a beautiful foggy morning.
Yeah.
Feel good, I bet.
Yeah.
That right? That's good.
Yeah, I assume you haven't felt that good of braking in quite a while.
I know sometimes I think it will stop.
It will now. You were down about 50% on your braking. And he's not even giving it all it's got right now. If he did, he'd throw us both out of our seats.
Well, what LCC needs to be done?
She said paint.
Mechanically. Front end alignment.
Yeah, I would take it in and get it aligned.
Yeah.
Although it doesn't seem to be too bad, but I mean that tire wear could have just been from the kingpins, and also having that rear end out of alignment so far, that might have been pushing your bus down the road a little weird.
So when I leave, I need to make the same right.
That's the easiest way to go, yeah.
When I get up to one of these stoplights, instead of turn left, I go straight to get on each one.
You just go straight.
It'll go up a
It will, now that the turbo's fixed. It certainly didn't have the power to do it when he first got here.
My thing finally broke.
Just be careful of that rock that sticks out right there.
I think it finally broke after I got it in Tennessee. But I don't
Well,
know
you would have known when it felt like it got real doggy. That's when it happened.
I don't know if I made it up that hill with asphalt. Where you want me to start? Stoplight?
Yeah, that's good. Is it down in low?
I think that's all 15.
Stay out to the left there. And then kind of go half, no, go to the right here.
Okay. I'll get ready to pull in.
We're ready to go back to the house.
Kind of go halfway on the chert here, halfway on the driveway, and that's a good way to be when you go to back into that other area.
Yeah.
The front end is sitting so nice right now. There you go. It's definitely higher in the front. It's nice. On to the next bus.